So today, I've got a secret online gaming platform for you where you can play 1,000 plus high-quality games for free. And the best part is, no downloads required. In this video, I'll show you the complete process step by step. So make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. To get started, open any browser on your phone. I am using Chrome for this demonstration. Next, check the description of this video, where you'll find the official link to the JOGOS website. JOGOS is an excellent online gaming platform that offers access to over 1,000 high-quality games. Before you begin playing, make sure to tap on the Login tab and select Continue with Google to sign in. This ensures that your game progress is saved online, allowing you to pick up right where you left off. Now you're ready to play any game. Simply choose your preferred title and tap the Play Now button. The game will launch instantly. For example, I'm currently playing Penalty Shooter. If you're a football fan, you'll definitely enjoy this game. Its appeal lies in its simple controls combined with intense gameplay. All you need to do is swipe the ball with the right angle and speed to outsmart the goalkeeper and score goals. The game is both fun and challenging, featuring realistic physics and an immersive stadium atmosphere. And this is just the beginning. JOGOS offers a wide variety of such engaging games. You can play them on both mobile and PC simply by accessing the JOGOS website through any browser. Open the game you want to play and tap on Play Now to start the game. You can play and control all games on PC using a keyboard and mouse. Right now, I'm also playing the Huggy Wuggy shooter game, where you face Huggy Wuggy in a first-person perspective. The monster can attack at any moment, keeping the gameplay intense and unpredictable. The game includes multiple levels and a variety of weapons. As you progress, the difficulty increases, but you can unlock new weapons to enhance your gameplay. If you're a fan of Poppy Playtime, this is definitely a game you should try. After that, we tried a game called Fear Response. This one is perfect if you enjoy horror and suspense-based gameplay. The game puts you in a dark and mysterious environment where you have to explore your surroundings while staying alert at all times. You never know what's coming next, which keeps the tension high throughout the experience. The sound design plays a huge role here. Every footstep and background noise adds to the fear and suspense. You'll need quick reflexes and smart decision-making to survive. It's not just about action, but also about timing and awareness. If you love scary games that keep you on edge, Fear Response is definitely worth trying. Next up, we played Max Speed. This is a high-speed racing game that's all about adrenaline and precision. You get to drive powerful cars across different tracks while pushing your limits to reach top speed. The controls are smooth and responsive, making it easy to handle even at very high speeds. You can dodge traffic, take sharp turns, and compete for the best timing. The faster you go, the more intense the experience becomes. If you're into racing games and love that fast-paced thrill, Max Speed will keep you hooked. After that, we tried a game called Flash Bash. This is a super energetic 2D arcade-style fighting game that gives strong retro brawler vibes. In this game, you get multiple unique fighters, like Ryan, who is a karate expert, and Amano, a sword-wielding ninja. Each character comes with their own fighting style and powerful combo moves. The gameplay is fast-paced and action-packed. You can perform high-damage combos, air attacks, and special moves to defeat your opponents. And as you fight, you'll notice cool on-screen effects like Advantage and OMG, which make the combat feel even more intense and satisfying. Visually, the game has a vibrant, comic book-style look, and it runs really smoothly on mobile devices. If you enjoy classic fighting games with modern fast gameplay, then Flash Bash is definitely a must-try. And finally, we tried Tank Stars. This game is all about strategic combat, where you control a tank and battle against opponents using different types of weapons. You need to aim carefully, adjust your angle and power, and land accurate shots to destroy your enemy. Each match feels unique because of the variety of weapons and upgrades available. It's simple to play, but requires good strategy to win. So yeah, these were some of the awesome games you can enjoy on JOGOS. If you liked any of them, make sure to try them out and let me know your favorite in the comments.